munditumbure. Ndarwadziwa nezvaitika mukati menzvimbo yenativhu. Munzvimbo munomu hatina kana shopu kana pokutangira. Asi takaruko kungonzi putsai pasina notice. Ende izvezvi totozoroti kwakuenda unotengera vana vedu. Vana vanotsikwa ende varume tichanzoti vapondwa voende kumabhawa. Saka munomu tarwadziwa ende tarwadziswa muna TV munomu.
Costa Dadiso. Ndino tuckshop yangu ingera apo inganzi Samaita. Ndopa ndairaramirawo wana ndoko waiwanirawo chikafu nini zvese papapo. Saka ini bundu riri pamoyo pangu kati kuti dai takaudzwa in time ndakwanisa kunotsvaga kukurenta kana kuruku kana kuita sei.
Hadi muri yako yakakura sei?
Wana 2. Wananga grade 3, wana wachanga grade 1.
Saka mese maigara mutuckshop imomo?
Tumwe twacho vaigara kwamukoma twana twese. Vaigara kwamukoma twanawo space kuti pagadike zvakanaka. Saka aimesha
vaone kuti kumanika reni kunotarwadziwa.
Tunoende.
Then kune inonzi call to action. Call to action yakaitwa naPresident in the month of November in the year of 2023. The call to action gave directives, several directives to local authorities. And as a city, I'm happy in most of those areas we are way ahead of expectations. I was attending a meeting in the Ministry of Local Government last week with other colleagues, and we were told that the Ministry of Local Government and the President have no appetite to extend the deadline for full compliance with the call to action. Masterplan as a city, ours was approved in the year 2022. This was year 2022, and it appears as if it is the only one that was approved in Zimbabwe. We are happy in terms of that. Then valuation row, again, our valuation row, we started implementing in the year 2020. Call to action in town, local authorities are being accused of selling land along with servitudes, road servitudes. Or and most of these allocations end up, we end up seeing people getting targeted. So we were told to make sure that we bring back sanity around this area. That's why you see, as you go around, all tax shops or illegal structures that are along our road servitudes. Fortunately for us, we had not allocated as a local authority. But we allocated. So we then said, it's not allowed for you to put up illegal structures on the road servitudes, and we are removing those road servitudes. So we expect our people to comply. Initially we were facing resistance, but now there's positive feedback. People agreeing to remove on their own in most cases now. But as management, we discussed this issue and we are going to bring it to council. I instructed the engineer to look for places that are suitable for allocation of states, so that people can properly lease and pay their obligations to council. So we hope by end of June this process should have been completed, and we'll then allocate spaces that will have been identified.